told that Amish takes 12 days to complete some work, and Billu is 200% more efficient than Amish, and Chetan is 4/3 times more efficient than Billu. How many days does Amish take to complete the work? He takes 12 days. Let us assume that the total work that needs to be done is say equal to 12 units. So how many units of work does Amish do in one day? In one day, Amish is going to do 1 unit of work. Billu is 200% more efficient than Amish. So in one day, Billu is going to do 3 units of work. Because 3 units is 200% more than 1 unit. And how many units of work does Chetan do in one day? In one day, Chetan is going to do 4/3 times as efficient as Billu. So it will be 4/3 into 3, which is equal to 4 units of work. This is the amount of work done by Chetan. If all 3 of them are working together, in one day, what is the amount of work that they will do? It will be 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 8 units. So what is the amount of time that it takes for them to finish the work? The total time taken will be equal to 12 units divided by 8, which is equal to 3/2 days. We are told that this is equal to A by B. Or this would imply that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. We are required to find out the values of x. For that, square root of x into x square minus abx minus b square into a square plus 1 is defined. So if you are looking at the expression that is given inside the square roots, that is equal to square root of x into x square minus what is ab? A into b will be 6x minus b square will be 4 and a square plus 1 will be 10. So 4 into 10 will be 40. We want this expression to be defined. If this expression is to be defined, this product has to be greater than or equal to 0. If you are factorizing this, this will equal x into x minus 10 into x plus 4. We want this to be greater than or equal to 0. What are the roots of this product? If you are looking at the roots, this will be minus 4, 0 and 10. So we have minus 4, 0 and 10. Now if x is less than minus 4, over here, x plus 4 is negative, x minus 10 is negative, x is negative. So it will be the product of 3 negative terms. So the overall product will be negative. If x is lying between minus 4 and 0, x plus 4 will be positive, but x and x minus 10 will be negative. So the overall product will be the product of 2 negative terms and 1 positive term. So it is going to be positive. Similarly, if it lies between 0 and 10, x will be positive, x plus 4 will be positive, but x minus 10 will be negative. So the overall product will be the product of 2 positive terms and 1 negative term. The negative term will be x minus 10. So the overall product will be again negative. However, if x is greater than 10, then all 3 of them will be positive and the overall product will be the product of 3 positive terms. So again, this is going to be positive. So for the given expression to be defined, x has to lie between minus 4 to 0, union 10 to infinity, which is option D.